Maray na Aldo! This is Sasa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And today, I have here a corner lot, brand new modern home for sale here in Angeles City. Let's start. Sa facade nyo pa lang, as you can see, it's very bright. Now, you have a barn style na metal gate. And then, on that side naman, your carport automated gate na. Now, this side, ang ganda niya lang kasi now yung hangin, it helps na yung hangin through and through lang. Plus, this wire mesh, di ba? Pwede kayo mag-hang ng plants. Also, pwede din magpa-vines na lang. So, mahangin siya. Let's enter with your pedestrian gate. You will be welcome with your porch. Now, from your porch, going to your own swimming pool na. Yes, this house has its own swimming pool. You have here your pool deck. Then, eto na yung pool nyo. On that side, meron na kayong wood stone plus to add some privacy. Naka-elevate yung wall na yan plus naka-tiles. And, as you can see, andyan pa rin yung wire mesh, di ba? As of na, may mga plants na. Pero on that side, access ko na through your lanay sa living area. Very high ceiling din, no? Dito meron pa rin kayong wall stone on this side, naka-tiles naman. So, nag-match lang yung color nila. And then, pagpasok, you have your door na slatted wood. So, solid wood na. And then, your main door lock is digital. Tara! Pagpasok agad, you will be welcome with this very bright color combination lang ng living room nyo. Yes, this is a semi-furnished and then this is very brand new. Tara, pasok! Sa ceiling, you get na a PVC wooden panels. Ang ganda din ng chandelier na to. Sa living area, you have your own air-conditioned unit na. On this side, your very modern wood panels. Meron na ding shelves. Then, ito naman, laminated. Mga socket na pag naglagay kayo ng TV, and then same on that side. Then plus ito, cabinets and cabinets. Ang ganda din ng door niya. Now, your center table, wood, ang ganda. And then sa chair nyo, look at this chair. Oh. It matches yung sa dining area nyo. Suliya yung ano niya. Kaya yung unang pagpasok ko sa bahay na to is very modern sa labas, pero pagpasok, ang feeling niya is para kang nasa farm because of your dining area. Okay? But before that, dito naman sa side na to, may PVC panels din, mirrors, para mas malaki pa yung area natin, di ba? May console din, pwede pa rin paglagyan ng mga other stuff niya. Same thing na ano din, na maximize din yung space.
Moving to your dining area
naman, you get here na a 6-seater dining table. Sa ceiling, meron na kayong this centerpiece chandelier here. May mga pin lights. And then on this side is your breakfast nook. Enough space para sa preparing area nyo. You get na a-range hood, induction cooker. Meron na rin kayong oven. Meron na ding microwave. And then, sakto yung pagkalagay ng microwave talaga, diba? Hindi siya nasa taas. Sin eye level lang siya. No, yung taas nyo na cabinet, ang ganda din. Sample ko na lang, no? Na awning type yung door niya. So, hindi na yung side and side, diba? Ang dali maglagay ng gamit. Even ito, mga soft close din. Ang ganda ng mga finishes nila. Now, on this side, meron kayong double sink naman. Sa likod naman ng island nook na to, meron pa ring shelves and cabinet sa mga extra pots and pans nyo na, di ba? So, ang dali mag-entertain ng family or kahit visitors nyo. Ito may dining, doon lang yung living area. And then, sa likod ng camera is that's your formal kitchen. This barn door here, sa likod nito, yung dirty kitchen nyo naman. Also, yung staff quarters na rin, if you have. This is for your staff. Meron na din siyang sariling toilet and bath. Now, this side, ito, specifically is for your washing machine na. Kasi meron na siyang 3-point socket. This is where you, make kusot ng mga labahin, di ba? Siyempre, para ito sa mga laundry stuff na. Then, ito na yung pinaka-dirty kitchen nyo pa. Ang gusto ko sa dirty kitchen na to kasi, meron na kayong malaking sink dito. It's very modern yung faucet niya. May mga shelves pa rin and cabinets. Plus, you have a brand new 4-burner stove na rin. Gusto ko rin yung height niya. Naka-level lang pag nagluluto. Now, di ko ata na-mention kanina, from your 2-vehicle carport na pala, meron ng access agad going to your dirty kitchen. So, di ba pag namalengke, di na dadaan sa living room. Siyempre, dito na lang sa sidewalk and then from this carport. Sa carport nyo, ang ganda din ng color niya. Mga PVC panels din yung nasa ceiling and then pin lights. Plus, pala, yung buong bahay sa mga common areas, may mga naka-install ng CCTV. And then as I've said kanina, yung gate natin is automated na. So, no need na taga-bukas. Pindutin nyo na lang. Let's go back sa loob. That's for the common area lang. We're not yet finished. Let's start checking the... Wait lang, dahil andyan na tayo. Pakita ko na lang din yung na-maximize pa kasi yung under the stairs. So, eto naman pwede na for your other cleaning materials or mga shoes, diba? Now, this door here is your powder room, syempre, for our guests. And then from your living area, this is a 5-bedroom house. First bedroom niya located na dito sa ground floor. Ayan, pasok ko para you can see yung space. Diba? Very firm yung peg ng bahay. Look at this. Na-maintain. On this side, yan yung bedside table nyo. It's very light, no? Ang dali mag-add ng personal gamit nyo. So, on this side, meron na kayong provision naman kung gusto nyo maglagay ng sariling TV. And then, may kasama na rin siyang sariling aircon. And then, behind this curtain is your, wait lang. Lalabas ako pala. Yan, it's your access to your swimming pool. Plus, it's very convenient to kasi meron na kayong outdoor shower dito. And then, meron na din kayong bihisan on this door. Lipat ako dito kasi hindi ko napakita yung your own lanay. So, sa lanay, you have na 4 chairs and table na lang. Then, on this side, pwede pa kayo mag-add na. Pwede nyo itong gawing minibar, no? Kapag may bisita kayo or kayo na lang mismo ng family nyo. Or pwede pang kung sobra-sobra mga yung shoes nyo, pwedeng dito na lang, diba? Meron din siyang mga shelves. Ayan. Napasok tayo through this sliding door. I think we're done with the ground floor. But before that, make sure nakasubscribe na kayo sa YouTube channel natin. If you like this house na, you can call my number flashing on your screen. And then also nasa Facebook rin kami, which is Next Level Properties. And please also follow us sa Instagram, which is Next Level Properties. And then, let's go. So you can see, meron pa rin ditong wire mesh. So dito pwede din mag-hang ng kahit portraits na or plants. Now, sa stairs, meron kayong wood. And then, dito, meron kayong fixed window. Pero kung napansin nyo, maliwanag pa sa labas kanina. Tinted kasi yung mga sliding doors natin and then yung windows. So, nalalesen yung light from outside. Which is good kasi pag masyadong mainit, so hindi masyadong mainit sa loob. Right? Now, sa second floor, you still have your landing area, which is this. Spacious pa rin. You can put pa table here, diba? Yung lagayan ng mga piece. Dito, you have a 4-bedroom na. Pero let's start with this door. This house is unfurnished, pero ready to move in na. Kaya mag-book na kayo ng viewing nyo. You have your own air condition unit na main light, pin lights, pair na rin kayo, built-in cabinet. Then, I'll show you lang ulit Look, maliwanag pa sa labas. Tinted lang talaga yung mga window. On this side naman, meron na kayong provision kung gusto niyo maglagay ng sariling TV. And then, kung napansin nyo, mention ko na lang, yung mga door nila pare-pareha sa mga bedrooms, kahit yung kay maid's room natin, and then yung mga toilet, same sila ng mga door na ginamit. Now, from that bedroom, meron naman dito, your bedroom 3 also, na wala siyang ensuite toilet and bath. Pero I'll show you mamaya, they have shared toilet and bath. You have your own AC unit na dito, pin lights, main light, then pwede kayo maglagay ng double na size ng bed. This side is your huge cabinet na rin. Provision kung gusto niyo maglagay ng TV. Na yung mga toilet and bath ng bedroom 2 and bedroom 3, nandito. Pati toilet and bath, ang laki Matches yung gray na color ng tiles, light gray, and then rough yung sa may sink. Moving forward to bedroom number 4. But before that, pakita ko na lang. Ito. You still have your own balcony dito, this area. Ayan. By the way, this house ay nasa main road ng subdivision na to. And so it's very wide. Yan yung view nyo every day. Plus, look at this. You have your view ng sarili nyong pool. Ang ganda niya pala from this view. Let's go back. And check your bedroom number 4. Ayan. Ang high ceiling kaya ng bahay na to. Look, I'm 5'8" na pero ang taas pa rin ng mga door. This is your bedroom number 4. Ayan. You have your console na sliding doors dito if you wanna add some natural light or ventilation. Dito, located yung headboard, syempre, na bed nyo. You have your own AC unit na. And then, this room, meron kang sariling toilet and bath. Dito, is your vanity. Add ka na lang ng mirror, diba, and chairs. Now, this is your, diba, pati toilet and bath nila, parehas lang ng door. Laki ng mirror ng yung toilet and bath niya. You have your water closet, may shower partition na rin, meron na rin heater. Plus your cabinetries dito sa baba ng sink. Laki ng room. Gusto nyo na ba to? Call my number na on your screen and then book your viewing. Now we are done. This is your last bedroom. This is bedroom number 5. Diba? Iba rin yung design ng bedroom number 5. You still have your sliding doors here, pero kung ayaw nyo naman ng natural light, i-close natin. Own AC unit, main light. Then ang ganda, naglagay talaga sila. So, anong gantong mirror? It adds space kasi. Yung illusion na palaking pa yung space. This side, alam nyo na yung entertainment area natin. Lagay ka ng sarili yung TV. Ito mga PVC panel na to on this side. And then ito yung laminated na wall. Ang ganda kasi ito. Alam nyo na yung display nyo dito. Your collection of bags. Tapos meron na rin kayong working table. As you can see, andito yung monitor ng CCTV. Now, this side naman, may sarili siyang door is your walk-in closet. And then, your toilet and bath. Pumasok na ako. Look, you have your sink na dito. Meron pa kayong preparing area. Shower partition and then spacious din yung shower area. With heater, high ceiling, floor to ceiling yung mga tiles niya. Easy to maintain. Okay, let's do a recap. Again, this is a corner lot, brand new house and lot for sale here in Angeles City. This is located at a secured subdivision. We are very near groceries. Malapit tayo sa Marquee Mall, which is under Ayala. Landers, groceries, mga international schools, hospitals, and then expressway. Now for the house, this is 173 square meters for the lot. You have a floor area of 242 square meters. That's 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, 2 carport, 1 maid's room with own toilet and bath. Then you have your own swimming pool as well. Plus, this comes semi-furnished. So kung may gamit kayo, ang dali lang mag-hack. I think that's it. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Plaza Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.